Hi there and welcome to Architectural Constructed Perspective 101. I'm Michael Nitu. Let's get started. So lesson number 1 is about you understanding and practicing proper box perspectives. So we've got our little formula for drawing each of these box perspectives. Obviously got videos. So I'm going to show you the 3 types of box perspectives: top down, bottom up and building view. Don't forget you need to have your horizon line with 2 perspective points as far away as possible from each other, right? For instance, you can have one perspective point on your A4 sheet or A3 sheet, and then the other one floating, on the right-hand side, but still on the horizon line. And yeah, that's basically the gist for this lesson. I want you to really understand the logic behind these box perspectives. And also go for a bit of hatching, because a bit of hatching is going to, build up that foundation for the future lessons. Okay, let's get started then.